Are you tired of struggling to make healthy meals that actually taste good? You're not alone. Many people find it challenging to balance flavor and nutrition in the kitchen. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the Steami 11-in-1 air fryer, a game-changing appliance that will revolutionize your cooking. This multifunctional air fryer is perfect for health-conscious cooks who want to prepare a wide variety of delicious meals without compromising nutrition. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, the Steami 11-in-1 air fryer is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. The Steami 11-in-1 air fryer is a product from Nutricook, and it represents their latest masterpiece, designed to make cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable than ever before. With its impressive features and capabilities, this air fryer is set to become a staple in kitchens worldwide. 11-in-1 versatile cooking modes. Nutricook's Countertop convection oven offers 11 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, pizza, reheat, dehydrate, steam, sterilize, steam bake, and steam roast. Save space and replace multiple countertop ovens with this one efficient and versatile appliance. Healthier cooking with steam and air frying. Nutricook combines the power of convection ovens with steam to reduce oil use by up to 85%. This countertop convection oven ensures crispy, delicious meals, making it a healthier choice for fries and roasts. Its moisture-locking steam technology locks in flavor and tenderness, making it perfect for baking bread, pizza, and roasts. It's a true upgrade from typical toaster convection ovens, offering faster heating. The Steami 11-in-1 air fryer also features a digital display and an easy-to-use intuitive touchscreen interface, which makes selecting your desired cooking mode straightforward. The air fryer's LED display shows the temperature, time, and cooking mode, giving you complete control over the cooking process. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary newbie, you'll appreciate the convenience of cooking with the Steami 11-in-1 air fryer. Its non-stick basket and pan are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Spacious 25-quart countertop oven. Cook family meals in one go with Nutricook's 25-quart capacity. This countertop oven can accommodate a 2.6-pound roast chicken, a 10-inch pizza, or a large cake, making it perfect for family gatherings, holidays, or weekly meal prep. The Steami 11-in-1 air fryer is user-friendly and easy to clean. Featuring stainless steel construction, dishwasher-safe accessories, a crumb tray, and a removable 1.05-quart water tank for quick refills, it ensures hassle-free steaming. Nutricook is a renowned manufacturer of innovative kitchen appliances and has consistently pushed the boundaries of cooking technology. Compared to other air fryers on the market, the Steami 11-in-1 air fryer stands out with its impressive range of features, advanced technology, and user-friendly design. While other air fryers may offer similar capabilities, the unique combination of cooking modes, stainless steel components, and ease of use make it a top choice for health-conscious cooks. Whether you're looking for a versatile air fryer that can handle a variety of dishes or an easy-to-navigate appliance, the Steami 11-in-1 air fryer is an excellent option. The Steami 11-in-1 air fryer is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to cook healthier, more delicious meals. With its impressive features, advanced technology, and user-friendly design, this air fryer is perfect for health-conscious cooks, busy families, and anyone eager to enhance their cooking experience. I would rate the Steami 11-in-1 air fryer a solid 9 out of 10, with the only drawbacks being a potential learning curve and a higher price point than some other air fryers on the market. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite kitchen gadgets are and how you use them to cook healthier meals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.